On today's episode of Tweaker Geographic, we have a male outside of his domicile, and he seems to be trying to pry open the door to a vehicle. Unsuccessful, he walks away. But wait, maybe he forgot something. He appears to be trying to fashion a primitive tool. He has called in reinforcements. A second male tweaker, armed with more tools, attempts to pry open the door. With unmatched precision and coordination, he aligns his tools and readies the work area. Now the other tweaker inserts the wire, trying to unlock the door. They work feverishly to secure the dope. Unsuccessful, the tweaker walks away. Prying at the weather stripping, the tweaker readies for another attempt. With the weather stripping stretched out of the way, they proceed to make another attempt. Desperate and determined, they press on. Another failed attempt. Another male appears to inspect the progress while engaging in a feeding ritual. While not appearing to offer any advice, he seems curious. The tweakers attempt once more to open the door. And at last they are successful. They attempt to straighten out their damage and get ready for another adventure.